Budokai here with my Thomas Balisong. And after eating this chocolate chip cookie from Wawa, I'm acting a little silly. I said, hey, let me put my ultra green Flightanium Bali boot on here and make this into a fixed blade trainer. Oh, big idea. Anyway, but why not try to flip this as you would a fixed blade? Yeah. Oh, damn. Stabbed it. Stabbed myself. I don't know. Let's see. But yeah, this is cool. Try it again. Nope. Try it again. Oh, God. Hey, finally. Anyway, it's kind of funny. Have fun with it. See you later. Cool.